Na, 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 na. Hi there, hello, welcome to an amazing meal. So what I wanted to show today is how I make one of my current favorite meals, a Turkish pizza. And I have my own methods because of myself, and I wanted to show them to everyone who was interested. So let's go. Oh fuck, just focus. So what I use is a pan, pizza, salad, fuck, tomato, pickle. Now, for me personally, I tend to, don't mind the sink, I tend to add a little bit of water, just enough to make it moist. Turn this on there, take the pizza, and there you go. Shake it a bit and wait. Now while I'm waiting, dramatic pause. While I wait, I tend to prepare my pickle and tomato. So let's go. Covered it with my hands. Usually I prefer like a bigger tomato, or you can use two if you want. Fridge still open. You can use two if you want, but I'm currently feeling just one. And for the salads, I just take a hand, pull it out, shove, and there you go. I'll show you later. There's no way of going. Look at this. If you look closely, you can see it's slowly bulging upwards. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I can see it. Like, yeah, that's what I want. Now it's going to take a bit of Now it's going to take a bit of time before it's nice and warm, but soon after that, I'm going to add the ingredients. Let's see, let's look at it. Yeah, it's almost done. Now it's time to add stuff. I'm still recording. Cool. Okay, so let's start. I always start with the tomato or the salad. So I'm going to start with the tomato first. Just line it up. Make a cute line. Then add the pickle. Like sometimes when I'm not feeling too hungry or whatever, I won't add like the lettuce or the salad, but extra loud, fuck. I'm going to add it now, of course, because, well, first of all I want to show it, and second of all I want it. So I tend to take like a handful, about this much, just lay it on. Sometimes a bit less, just a bit less even. There you go. Looks nice. Now I'm going to spread it a bit more into a line. You can use utensils if you want, but hands are also utensils. Magic. She'll slide this back into the fridge. Now I'm going to take another quick look with spatula or without. You can choose. It sounds kind of solid on the bottom now, but not on that side, so I'm going to move the pan a bit more to this side, so you will get a bit more crispy. And hope the middle doesn't get too hard. Second turn. For the sauce, I usually use my own made garlic sauce, which is currently empty, so fuck. And also chili sauce. Preferably sweet chili. I will show how to make the garlic sauce in another video if I want to. I think I will. So if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see that. Or if you want to see more of me, you can also subscribe. I would appreciate it. So usually right at this point when things are getting crispy, which is this, I'll turn off the heat, get my sauce and just make a line. Not too much, not too little, just enough for flavor. And I don't have chili sauce, so I'm just going to use mayo. Fuck, I don't have I don't have my garlic sauce, so I'm going to use mayonnaise. Fuck. It's difficult to film with one hand and put sauce. Then all you gotta do is have a plate. Like this one. Take your pizza. Place down the fucking camera because you can't use your hands while. Fuck. It's getting. Oh fuck! It's burning already. Filming. I use my spatula. Lift it out. Is it burning yet? It's actually perfect. It's actually so good. It's so good. Then transfer it over to the plate. It's nice and crispy. Doesn't really likes to stay in shape right now. That's why the transfer was so easy. I wish I could have shown it, but no, alas, too bad. Maybe I can simulate it. Like, look how easy. That's the nice crisp you want. Nice and floppy, but still crispy. And then, all you gotta do is ignore the pan in the background. Please. I'll do. Go and just fold. I tend to fold this one with the lesser sauce first. Squish the salad. Squish, squish. If you want, you can take a knife, make sure it doesn't move. And voila! A nice wrap with my own recipe. I think, I don't know. I've never really seen someone do it like this, so I like it. Third and final spinning. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how I make my Turkish pizza. I make like when I'm free from work, I make like a lot of them. Like sometimes I have like 3 per day, sometimes I have 1. Like it really depends on how my body feels, right? But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. You can like and subscribe if you want. If you want to see more of me, want to see more videos, I would really appreciate it. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. perfect.